Hi, we are Wine and Whiskey Travelers. I'm Julie, aka Wine.
And I'm Tom, also known as Whiskey.
And on our channel, we share our life together as we RV travel, work on projects around the home, and do gardening around our old drafty house here in a small town in New Hampshire.
Motorhoming for work projects along with our dog and cat.
And our RV travels when we go for work are for Tom's job as an independent insurance adjuster.
I'm an independent insurance adjuster. I work claims on heavy equipment, which is sort of New England regional. We go about as far as New Jersey.
And we do upstate New York and sometimes Long Island. I am a semi-retired home designer. That was my career. We've been self-employed for over 30 years. And I use my design background and I apply it to our lifestyle here in the old drafty house and in the kitchen and in the gardens. And Tom has hobbies, including?
Too many, according to Wine. I play guitar, wooden boating, a few others.
And we do boating on Lake Winnipesaukee. So if these are things that you might find interesting, please like and subscribe. We share boat rides, jam sessions in the barn lounge. We have changed our barn into a place where you can hang out that we call the barn lounge. So we do some music in there, drinks, gatherings. What else? Pretty much everything that incorporates life.
Everything that incorporates our life. We'll be married 37 years this year. We still really like each other, and that's really the key to success in life. And yeah, if you want to come and enjoy our journey with us, we encourage you, if that's the kind of thing that appeals to you, hit the subscribe button, like, and come along for the ride. We'd love to have you.
Thanks for watching.